Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a product slider with Elementor for WooCommerce. Let's get started. So let's select in here a page wherein we want to add the product slider. I'll head over and use this on my display page, and head over and just click on this edit with Elementor right here in order to edit this particular page with Elementor. Now, as you can see, it has loaded. Now we can see in here that we have a container. So what we can do is we can head over and search in here for a widget. So search in here for product. And then in here, you should be able to see some product options that you can choose from. We have in here product table, archive products as well, and also this product price, meta, data tabs, and all of these things that you can see in here as well. So if you want to make a slider, you need to head over and then actually install another plugin instead of Elementor only. You need to install the Elementor right here. Once it's been installed, head over right here to Elementor again and search in here for slider, and you can see this WL Universal Product Layout. Head over and add this right here in order to actually make this possible. Once it's been added, you can see in here this layout which is on default, so head on over and choose in here the slider option. And you can also make in here the same height box as well. So as you can see right now, I have these sliders for this one. So you can also change in here the content settings. Like for example, you can choose style 1, style 2, or style 3 according to their styles that they have available for this case. So in here, you can also hide the price if you want. And in here, see the action settings, which is the action options, as well as the image settings, content settings, as well as slider up. So you can put in here slider items. For me, I'll head over and then add in here 2 items, and you can also change it on your slider item to scroll in here as well. So in here I have 2, and if I click on this one, this will slide onto another page with my actual process on my products. So once you're done with that, click on this update option and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.